In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an image in Webflow, a task that can be completed in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're fresh to Webflow or you've been using it for a while, learning how to swap images efficiently is a fundamental skill that can greatly enhance your design workflow. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Webflow account. Head over to the Webflow homepage and enter your login credentials. This step is essential before accessing any of your projects or making changes to your designs. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Webflow dashboard. Here is where all your projects reside, and where you can easily organize or start new projects. It's like Command Central for all your Webflow creations. In the dashboard, look for the project you intend to edit. If you have multiple projects, it might be helpful to name them in a way that makes them easy to identify. Once you've located the correct project, click on it to dive into the Webflow Designer. This intuitive interface is where the magic happens, allowing you to visually break down and modify every component of your website. Next, within the Webflow Designer, navigate to the specific image element you wish to change. If you're not sure which image element it is, take a moment to browse through your page structure. Webflow's Visual Designer gives a comprehensive view of your site, allowing you to see every element at a glance. Once you've selected the image element, the panel on the right will display various options. Click on the image, and Webflow will offer you the choice to either pick another image from your asset library or upload a new image from your computer. If you have a new image ready, uploading it is just a drag and drop away. If the replacement is in your library, a simple click will swap the images seamlessly. After changing the image, you might notice some adjustments need to be made to ensure it fits well within your design. This could involve altering its size, changing its position, or tweaking the styling properties such as shadows and borders to match your page's aesthetics. Proper alignment and styling are crucial for maintaining the overall balance of your website's design. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to change an image in Webflow. This simple yet powerful skill will help you maintain a dynamic and visually appealing website. Practice this process a few times, and it'll become second nature, allowing you to focus more time on creativity and less on technical hurdles. Happy designing, and I hope this guide helps streamline your Webflow experience.